Hey, it's Willie Crawford here, and I just want to let you know I've re-released my report, Back Against the Wall, How to Make $3,000 to $5,000 in 48 hours or less by also leveraging AI. I first created this report because I have had and have a large number of people who are constantly approaching me with problems that they need immediate cash for. Maybe it's the car broke down, maybe the rent's overdue, and the landlord's about to kick them out. The heat pump failed, maybe a medical emergency, whatever. And so they come to me because I've been in business online since 1996 and created a lot of products and made a lot of sales and money. So they figure I can tell them, some solution. And after enough people came to me asking, how do I do this? I created this product, how to make $3,000 to $5,000 in 48 hours or less. And it's on sale right now for only $7. I'm going to raise it to 49.50 eventually. But for now, I just want to get into as many hands as practical to help as many people out as practical, especially as we're moving into the holiday season. To read about it and order a copy, it's at themodernmidas.com. That's themodernmidas.com /fast dash cash. That's themodernmatters.com /fast dash cash. And you can make that all in lowercase. Thanks for listening. This is Willie. Let's get you out of this bind that you're in and get ready for the holidays.